So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And finally, we are in the last day of the March edition, means the arcade games for the March edition will be ending very soon. So most of you are completely new and want my strategy, which games we should complete so that we can maximize our points. So here we'll cover this thing and also cover one more important thing, that can you participate in next month if you miss any games, and will you be still eligible for the swag. So all things will cover in this video. So stay tuned till the end and make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video. For the people who don't know about the arcade program, it's a no-cost program. You'll learn about cloud computing. Just by completing the labs, you learn skills like cloud IM, cloud storage, data, looker, and multiple things free of cost. Now, how to participate, how to create account, it will become lengthy. So for that, I have covered two videos, one in Hindi and one in English. I'll share the links in the description box. From there, you can understand about the entire program. Now, what should be your strategy in this? Very few hours are remaining. I think while making the video, only 12 hours are remaining, right? So very less time is remaining. So I'll suggest to go with sprint. You can see here, go with the sprint. You can easily earn 4 arcade points. How you can easily earn 4 arcade points? Let me just explain. See, as per the lab limit, we can only complete 15 labs a day. So if you just open it, you can see it contains 4 labs only, right? It contains only 4 labs which are listed over here. So the most important thing is that you have to complete all the 4 labs. Here it is quiz. When you click on it, you'll see here you have to just spend only 5 minutes and just end the lab. Then you'll get the check mark over here. So this is how you can see for each sprint we get 4 labs. So 4, 8, 12. So only 3 labs are remaining out of 15. So when you complete all the 3, I'll suggest complete the labs. Let me just open it. Okay. So just complete all these labs. Okay, first of all, complete all these labs. And here you can see this is the sprint. So after every 2 hours, first of all, let me make you understand about the lab limit. So every 24 hour we get 15 labs a day. Means in entire 24 hour you can complete 15 labs only. Okay, and after every 2 hour you get one extra lab limit. Means once you have exhausted your 15 lab limit, then you'll be getting one lab attempt every 2 hours. So once you complete all these things, means 4, 8, 12. Okay, and here 4 are remaining, so out of which you completed 3 labs, one is remaining. So after 2 hours you can complete one more lab, so you can easily earn 4 arcade points. Now coming over here to these badges, you have to totally avoid work meet play if you have not completed in January. Okay, if you have not completed in January, then just leave it. If you're thinking that you will start from today itself and complete this matrix play, even though if you complete, you won't be getting the points. So just leave this page. And if you want to complete other badges, you can complete it. It's totally up to you. So I'll suggest first of all complete the sprint and then move to the trial, because it also contains only 8 labs. Okay, but if you get stuck with the lab limit, you cannot bypass it. So that's the thing. And here most people are asking regarding the spots. Okay, regarding the spots. So let me just see whether the sprint has spots or not. Yes. So some of the sprints have spots, some don't have. So mostly I don't think they will add the spots, and even if they add, I'll update you. You can comment down below also. Okay. So because today is the deadline and they generally rarely upload and update the spots. So whatever games you have already joined, that's why we always recommend that whether you complete all the games or not, whenever the event is live, mostly the new event will be live in the first week of April. So whenever the event is live, just join the game. You can complete anytime throughout the duration, means throughout the month. So this was the quick thing I wanted to share. And coming to the solution guide, how to find the solution. In the description box, here is our master sheet. From here, you have to click on the monthly games. And on the left side, you'll see all the badges are there, means badges links are there, and right side the solution playlist is there. From there, you can just watch it and complete the challenges. Most people are asking about this holy game. It was expired recently, so you won't be able to complete it. But whatever games are present, complete it. Also for the certification zone, I don't think it will come because today is last day. If they plan to extend the deadline, then it may come, but chances are very rare for extension. So this was the quick thing I wanted to share. If you still have any of the doubts, you can just navigate to the channel playlist or just navigate to the master sheet. And from here you can see we have covered everything in Hindi and English too. Okay. So watch these videos and understand about the challenges. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.